Hi, I'm Sherman Gillums. It is everyone's role to be prepared for disasters, whether you are thinking about yourself, your family, or your community. And we all have different needs to consider when preparing. For people with disabilities, now is always the best time to prepare, so you are ready when a disaster happens. There are 4 steps you can take to be prepared for disasters. Stay informed. Know what types of disasters impact your area. Sign up for emergency alerts. Pay attention to emergency broadcasts. Knowing when and how to evacuate and where to go to shelter can save your life. Make a plan. Talk with your family or roommates. Discuss how you'll evacuate or shelter in place. Decide how you'll communicate if a disaster hits when you're not home. Build a kit. Think about more than just food, water, and clothing. And people with disabilities should consider the items they use on a daily basis as well as life-sustaining items like medications or batteries for assistive devices. Also consider the needs of service or support animals. I am a wheelchair user. My plan includes communicating with my neighbors who can assist me if we need to evacuate the building. And my kit includes a small tool bag to repair any damage to my chair so I can stay mobile, and also a transfer board to help me safely move from my chair in unfamiliar environments. Lastly, get involved. Once you have your plan in place, check in with your neighbors and friends to help your community become better prepared and more resilient to disasters. If you or someone you live with has a disability, visit ready.gov/disability to learn more.